Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to type degree symbol on your keyboard. So let's get started. So basically you have to go to your Windows and then you have to type in OSK. That means on-screen keyboard. And after that, you have to press on Option. And then you have to turn on numeric keypad. And then you press OK. So basically there are like two ways or three ways. So we'll get into the three of them right now. So the first way that you have to do is press on Control, then Shift, number 2, and then space. And there you go. And the second way is press and hold on Alt, and then 0, 1, 7, 6. But basically this way does not work on all keyboards. There are some basic keyboards that it works on. So the third way is by pressing up here on Insert and then go into the symbol icon. And you press on More Symbols. And after that, you're gonna have to scroll down a bit till you find it. It's right here. Then you press on Insert and there you go. So yeah, that was the video for today. I hope it helps you guys and see you in the next one. Cheers.